Veena V.
Oh, I know what you're thinking. You're like, here we go again. There's another blimmin' feature on social media. Do I do it? Don't I do it? What am I supposed to do? And I'm here to tell you that every single time a social media platform brings out a new feature, learn it, master it, and do it. You really do need to take advantage of that time when a new feature comes out. You need to jump on it and use it. And this is why social media platforms are notorious for pushing out content from people who are using that brand new feature. So do you remember when Facebook Live first came out? Anyone that went live on your Facebook personal profile, you would always get a notification going, Emily Smith has gone live, Jacob Jones has gone live, Shaniqua Coero has gone live. They are pushing out content from people that are using that brand new feature. So in today's video, we are going to discuss what on earth is the difference between Instagram Reels, Instagram Stories, Instagram Live, and the Instagram feed, so you can really get your head around it. Hello and welcome, Happiness Hustler. My name's Veena V and I make video easy so you can focus on the things that matter to you, like your purpose, passion, and making a profit. Subscribe if you haven't done so already. So let's start with Instagram Reels. It's a brand new feature from Instagram, extremely similar to TikTok. It's 15-second videos that you can record from within the Instagram app. Go and watch that video if you haven't done so already, because that is a breakdown on how you can start creating your very own Instagram Reel videos. Now, Instagram Reels, like I said, it's videos you create within the app. You can also upload videos from other platforms. So I've been uploading a lot of my TikTok 15-second videos into Instagram Reels. And this is another way for you to be found on the Instagram profile. These Instagram Reels, you can add music to them, you can add text, you can do a lot of kind of cutting and chopping and editing again within the app. And these videos are displayed on a brand new tab on your profile. They also get pushed out by Instagram in the Explore feed page thingamajiggo. And you can also post an Instagram Reel to your Instagram feed, okay? And like I said, because it's a brand new feature, look into it, watch that video that I made on my YouTube channel and go and take advantage of that. Now you're thinking, okay, we've got Instagram Reels. Do we still use Instagram Stories? What do we do with that? So Instagram Stories are the stories that stay on your profile for only 24 hours. So that is the main difference. An Instagram Reel stays on your profile forever. Okay, and it's 15 seconds long. An Instagram Story only stays on your profile for 24 hours unless you add it to something called a highlight. And a highlight stays on your Instagram profile for as long as you want, forever, until you decide you want to delete it, okay? Why I think Instagram Stories is still really valuable to you and your business, or if you're trying to grow a brand, is because they're just so quick and easy. You can literally get your phone out. I will do this in real time, actually. I'm going to get my phone out. I'm actually going to record it on my phone rather than going to Instagram itself. I'm going to record a quick 10-second video of what I'm doing here, then upload it. Why Instagram Stories is just so beneficial, I just said it, is because it's easy, but also sometimes we may think things are boring to us, but to other people it's really interesting. So maybe a lot of people might want to see the behind the scenes of how I'm filming this YouTube video right now. So I want to get my video function out on my phone. Okay, so I'm currently filming my YouTube video and I just wanted to show you behind the scenes. This is my camera, hey. This is my light I've got going on here, and I've got my background here. So I've just displayed kind of all my, look, my little YouTube little plaque, a nice little plant there, my blue Yeti microphone, and there we go. And if you want to watch this video, what I'm filming right now, go over to my YouTube channel. The link is in my bio. Bang! Do you see how quick that video was? Now, that video actually ended up being nearly 30 seconds long. But it doesn't matter, because that video, once I upload it to my Instagram stories, Instagram automatically cuts it into 15-second videos. Okay, so that one video will then turn into 2 Instagram stories. If you don't understand anything I'm saying, please comment below. Remember, this channel is all about encouraging, empowering you, elevating you to be the best that you could possibly be in your life. We only live once, okay? So I really want you to understand all of this, and no question is silly. If you're still not understanding what an Instagram story is and what is the difference, comment below and I will make more videos for you. Be confident, be brave, and just write in the comments, okay? I'm here to help you. Right, so we've gone through Instagram Reels, Instagram stories. Now let's talk about the Instagram feed. And this is the first thing that people see on your profile. So when someone decides they want to follow you, if you want to follow me, make sure you go and find me at official Veena V on Instagram and DM me and come and say, hey, that you've come from this video. The profile feed, the Instagram feed, is the first thing that people see. And on here, you can do videos up to 1 minute long. You can do photos, you can do carousels, which is the kind of flick through things you can do. So on one Instagram post, you could have a photo, then you could have a video, then you could have another photo and another photo, and people just need to swipe across it, and that is one post. Or a lot of the time I will just post one singular picture of me just doing random pose trying to look cool, or I will do a 1 minute video. I've just realized there's something else we need to talk about, and that's IGTV, Instagram TV. Go and check out that video if you want to find out more about how you can do your own IGTV. All these videos I'm talking about, by the way, I'll link them all below in the description, so you can watch each one to really understand more about the Instagram features and how you can start implementing it in your business or your brand. So that's very quickly touch on IGTV. So IGTV are videos that you can film up to 1 hour long. Okay, they are again in another part of your Instagram profile, but this is the feature I actually love about IGTV, is that your IGTV, once you've uploaded it, you can actually put a preview of that IGTV onto your Instagram feed, onto your actual Instagram profile, the home page that people see when they visit your profile. And why that's good is because you're giving someone a bit of a taster. So say if I did an Instagram, an IGTV about, I don't know, the top 10 ways to grow a YouTube channel, it's quite likely that I'm going to go over 1 minute. So then I would do an IGTV and then a 60-second clip of that longer IGTV would get posted on my Instagram feed. And once those 60 seconds are up, if someone likes that content and they want to keep watching, a button will come up and it will say keep watching. Okay, and then you can go and watch the IGTV. Are you still with me? Write in the comments below. I am still with you. And let's keep going. Right, IGTV done. Instagram stories done. Instagram Reels done. Instagram feeds done. Now let's talk about Instagram Live. I promise we are nearly there. You have done so well. Right, I need to cut myself in here because social media moves so fast. Instagram Live has changed from the last time I personally used it. So an Instagram Live is only live when you were doing it. It used to last on your profile for up to 24 hours. They've scrapped that feature. So when you go live on Instagram, it will be live in the moment, but then you have 3 different options which you can see on the screen right now. You can either share that video straight away to IGTV and then post that preview onto your Instagram feed. You can download the video so you can go and upload that on your other social media platforms, or if you really messed up your live and you're like, I don't want anyone to see that, don't worry, just simply delete your video. Or if there's one thing you take from this video, just always be engaging on social media, and do not get upset if you don't get enough likes or enough comments. Life is more than a like and a comment. Life is about you being happy. It's about you helping people. And yes, if you keep doing this, I promise you, you will make money, but you've got to keep going and you've got to keep delivering that value as well. Okay, like I said, go and watch that whole playlist over there. It's all about Instagram. And subscribe if you haven't done so already. And remember to take action today, not tomorrow, because all we have is now, this present moment. I love you so much. See you in the next video. Bye.
Veena V